the wind and the water. Today I stand on Great Yarmouth Beach, where the shore meets the endless blue. The sea stretches out like a calm reminder that even the widest journeys begin right here beneath my feet. The sky above is clear and gentle, almost matching the water below, two shades of peace joining together, like quiet thoughts drifting in the breeze. The waves roll in with soft footsteps, whispering stories of places they've been. Every ripple carries a memory, every shimmer catches the light of hope. Out in the distance the wind turbines rise, standing tall against the horizon, icons of this coastline, famous, familiar, turning wind into power, turning motion into purpose. And yet even giants can falter. One stood wounded not long ago, a sudden spark, a burst of flame, a reminder that strength still knows struggle. Now I see the platform beside it, hard at work with steady hands, repairing what was damaged, restoring what was lost. There's something honest about that. Even in beauty there are battles, even in the calm there are storms. But just like the tides, we rise, we fall, and we rise again. As I watch the blades turning slowly, I think about time, and how life keeps moving forward, whether we're ready or not. The wind doesn't stop to ask permission, it simply keeps going. And so do we. The beach beneath me is soft and familiar, grains of sand warming in the sun. This place holds memories for many, and today it holds one more. I breathe in the salt of the sea air, letting the moment settle in my heart. There is power out there in the water, there is power here in the silence, and there is power in simply standing still, looking out at a world that keeps on turning. The sky above, the sea below, the wind at my back, and the future on the horizon. No rush, no noise, just peace and possibility. Here on Great Yarmouth Beach, I am reminded that beauty isn't just what we see, it's what we feel, what we remember, and what we choose to carry forward. As the waves continue to dance, and the turbines keep turning into tomorrow.